black-necked stork, Ephippiorhynchus asiaticus, is a tall, long-necked wading bird in the stork family. Large, stately stork with an enormous black bill, black head and neck. Female has yellow eyes. They nest on large trees, sometimes isolated in large marshes, or in agricultural landscapes, on which they build a platform. The nest is large, made up of sticks, branches, and lined up with water plants, and sometimes with a mud plaster on the edges. Birds bring waters in their neck and spray on nest to solidify the contents of the nest. This large stork has a dance-like display. A pair stalk up to each other face to face, extending their wings and fluttering the wingtips rapidly, and advancing their heads until they meet. They then clatter their bills and walk away. The display lasts for 1 minute, and may be repeated several times. There is little courtship, with the exception of some bowing and clapping of bills. The eggs are white and conical and are incubated by both parents. The chicks hatch with white down, which is replaced by a darker gray down on the neck within a week.